Hello there, welcome back to the 365 Challenge, 365 guitar lessons in 365 days. It's exhausting, I tell you, it's exhausting. But anyway, we must continue. We've just added a bass line to chords that were put on top of a rhythmically defined 4 bars in our loop. Okay, so I'm going to use my Marshall VT1 Vibrotrem pedal. There we go. And what I quite like to do with these loops is I've got a function on here for playing the loop backwards, and while it's playing backwards you can record stuff forwards while the loop is playing backwards, and then when you play the loop forwards again, the stuff you've just recorded sounds backwards. So let's have a quick go at that. I'm just going to have a think about the chords. We were doing B minor 7, A7, G major 7, and D major 7. So using this nice wobbly underwater sound, I want to record something sort of atmospheric, melodic and backwards along to this loop. So first of all I'm going to press play, then I'm going to reverse it, then I'm going to experiment, and once I'm happy with the little simple experimentations I'm going to press record, and there you go, then it's set in stone, and if it's wrong, whoo, it ruins the whole loop. So here we go. So that's forwards. Now it's backwards. Now when it's backwards it's actually quite hard to tell where the loop starts and ends, so I've just stopped it and I'm going to start it again. Okay, I think I kind of know what I'm doing. I'm going to add some high notes that fit in with those chords. But what I want to do, because we're recording it, what's going to end up being reversed, I'm just going to hit these high chords and sustain them. So I'm going to use the loop once round as a kind of a count-in, then press record and add what I'm going to add. So here we go. Okay, let's reverse that and have a listen. Okay, that's not bad. In terms of what's included there, that is how I intended it. But I'll tell you one mistake I have made. I recorded that a little bit too loud, and there's nothing we can do about that because it all goes straight into the mix and there's no extracting it back out again. So that final guitar part there was a little bit too loud. I just should have turned the volume down on my guitar just a little bit. So it's not bad, it hasn't ruined it, but it's kind of a little bit overpowering. But it's good, it's okay, it's going to be fine. So in the next lesson we shall just have a bit of a jam over the top, and then we'll see what else we can add. See you next time.